Hello everyone, I'm Alisa and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I will be taking you with me in my newly discovered photoshoot location. I've actually seen this one while I was on a train one day, and while I was passing it, I just saw this huge forest and I knew I had to go there and check it out. So I will be taking some portraits of my son, and I'm lucky today as it's sunny. I love spontaneous shoots and be creative on the spot, so let's go together and hopefully we don't get lost on our way. We're kind of stuck here now. I don't know. I've never been to this place and we're kind of lost. Are we lost?
We're stuck?
Yeah, 1 second. I'll find a way. Don't worry. Oh, okay. How are we gonna go in there?
Oh no!
Oh no! Wait. Go back. Go back.
What?
Just gonna try find a good spot for photos. I actually see a lot of blocks. I'm a bit scared now.
Mom, could we stay here?
Hello everybody. Right now we are in the forest, which I've never been before, and we're kind of lost. Are we lost?
No.
And since I've never been here, I didn't know how the terrain looks like, and it's like really forest, and because it was raining for a few days, it's full of puddles. As you can see, I've shot some videos of it. But since we're already here, I'm gonna try and take some photos anyway. Since we're already here, I'm using the Samyang 85mm F1.4 with my Sony A7III. So let's do it. There's my setting: 1000 f1.4 and ISO 100, and that's just good enough to not overexpose those parts in the trees because it's kind of sunny that way. And I'm gonna shoot from this tree right here, that tree over there. So we are gonna stand back a little bit, so I'm gonna go lower so we can have the foreground blur. So it's just gonna like do whatever he's doing right there. What are you doing? You know what? I'm gonna go underexpose even further. Look that way over there. So I sat him down right there and it should be okay. Can you see the view on there? Can you see some houses? You can. Now we're gonna compose properly. Because of these trees, as you can see, this tree right here and here, we have natural framing on the picture. It's kind of hard to pose a child, so I kind of like just take photo wherever he's doing. So composition is good like this. Natural framing there, and it's kind of like slanting this way. I have to take a lot of pictures because I have to get the best facial expression of him. Hey, stop shaking that tree! Since it's winter, I have edited some photos in a much cooler tone. Sometimes I wish it snows here, but that's a rare occasion, so all I can do right now is to color grade in cool tones, and this means I'll have to replace the yellow and the warmth colors on my pictures with blue and gray. An idea also sparked in me while I was editing to add a friendly fox on a picture to create a whimsical photo. I don't usually do overlays, but this looks really cute. So that concludes our photo shoot for today. This is actually kind of random. I didn't plan for this, and one of the reasons is that I just wanted to try this camera right here, the Insta360. to see if you guys can see the entire process of me taking photographs of my son, and it's actually kind of fun. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Goodbye now.